After installing the panel Gigapresets Portraits, you will find it in the Windows Extensions window. Here it is. I put it here for convenience. The panel is divided into topics to facilitate research and use. These actions will help you process your picture very effectively and, above all, very quickly. These actions are complex functions especially designed to facilitate and speed up post-production work, in this case the makeup of the face and much more. Now I'll show you the first section, Skin Retouch with Magic Skin, Soft Retouch, and all the other tools that are used to perfect the skin of the face. Scrolling down you can find Eyes. Inside this tool there are several powerful actions that allow us to reach the best result in a short time. Below are the actions dedicated to mouth and hair. The skin tones change the color of the skin and enable a number of other very interesting elaborations, while Tone Reduce corrects the dominance. Inside the section dedicated to skin tones, Custom Color is another interesting action. You can sample the color you want and use it as you prefer. Same thing for the tone adjustment. Also in this case you can carefully choose the color and apply it to your picture using the brush. On the second page you can find Perfect Tools and Artistic Retouch. It is a series of presets you can apply to your pictures. With these actions it will be possible to find the right mood to give to your photos. In Workflow Tools you will find very practical actions, such as the Auto Instagram or the Spotlight, and many classic actions that we often use and that with the panel become very simple to use, such as exposure, contrast, saturation, and many others. Going down you will see the Brushes tool. These are brushes that help us modify and improve the pictures quickly and effectively. Then, there are Texture Enhancer, Color Contrast, Sharpness, Background Light, an action which gives brightness to the background, and many other very interesting actions that can help you improve post-production in a very short time. Let's see in detail some tools, some actions that have been prepared precisely to speed up the retouch process, which is not always simple. Let's go back to the first page in the Skin Retouch section and select the first action, Magic Skin. It is a very powerful action because it allows to improve the skin of the face in just a few seconds. Before proceeding, just make sure that the opacity is set at 100%. A value lower than 100% would risk reducing the effect of the action even significantly. Moreover, you have to select the white color because you are now using the black mask and, therefore, the white color is necessary to see the effect. Let's see how this action works. To see only the foreground photo, hide the panel so that you only see the face. Now start the process with the brush. You can see how fast it is but, above all, how natural it is. The skin is changing before our eyes. Now let's reduce the size of the brush so as not to interfere with the eyebrows, and let's shape this girl's face. Very well, as you may have noticed it took only a few seconds. If you consider that I am explaining and retouching at the same time, you will surely understand that the time can be even less. At this point I'll show you the before and after results. You can notice how powerful the action is, also because it does not create a plasticized face effect. This happens because it is a designed action that leaves the pores of the skin open and, therefore, leaves the facial skin very natural. We can say that Magic Skin is a very powerful, but also very easy to use action. For the panel to work correctly, the layer of the photo must be called background. Generally in the Photoshop the pictures that are imported are called background, but if we change the name after the import, for example in this case the picture is called test, it is important to change the name of the layer in background. To make this operation easier we have created a specific action in the second page of the panel, so as to rename the name of the photo layer with a click. Once you have renamed the layer of the photo with the name background, you can use the panel correctly. Let's get back to us. We have this picture, and we have to do the classic retouch to face, eyes, mouth, etc. Let's start with the defects remover action. This action intelligently removes all skin imperfections such as pimples, blackheads, etc. without creating artifacts. We will make an explanation for demonstration purposes to illustrate how actions work. See how imperfections are removed in an extremely natural way. By comparing the before and after results, you can notice how easy it is to remove the imperfections without copying the nearby skin, since that effect is sometimes quite unpleasant. Once the imperfections have been eliminated, you can move on to the first filter, which is perfect skin. Every time you choose a specific action, the brushes are already roughly the right size for what you have to do. This is a facilitation, since you do not need to change the size of the brush every time you change the type of action. Each action corresponds by default to the correct brush size. When you start retouching the eyes, you will see that the size of the brushes will automatically be suitable for the task to be carried out, with no time waste. Let's see how the magic skin works. When I pass the brush on the skin, it is immediately visible how it is smoothed and how all those imperfections disappear. The interesting thing about this brush is that it does not flatten the girl's face, making it plastic, but manages to smooth the skin by leaving the pores open, so that the effect is as natural as possible. Let's see together the before and after results after using these two actions. We obtained a good result in a very short time. It should be noted that these interventions can be carried out very quickly, while often they are quite long and complicated. In just a few seconds, we were able to transform the skin of this girl's face into a perfectly smooth and natural skin. Each action can be modified and balanced according to your needs. You can also vary the opacity. If you adjust the opacity to 0%, for example, you will notice that the effect disappears. If we need to get a little pronounced effect, we can choose a low opacity, and then adjust it so that the effect becomes more evident. By default, we have set the opacity to 50% because it is the one that satisfies most of the jobs. Let's compare the two pictures. Let's now add another action, for example porcelain, in case you want to add a whiter color similar to porcelain to the skin. Select this new action, and then with the brush change the skin color of this girl. The brightness becomes more homogeneous. I'll compare the pictures before and after the effect. You can see that it is possible to obtain truly effective results in just a few seconds. Let's compare them again. Even in this case, you can increase the effect or decrease it depending on your need. This time we leave it at 70% as it was. If you want to illuminate more the face, you can use perfect face light. With this action you can lighten the face slightly. As you can see, these are rather targeted and precise interventions. The difference, as a matter of fact, is quite clear. Let's continue with the part dedicated to the eyes, in particular with the whiten eyes action. With this action it is possible to whiten the inside of the eye. Let's zoom in for convenience. You can see how this action works. Let's move on to the second action, brighten and sharp. You can pass the brush all over the eye to have greater brightness and brilliance while adding a slight sharpness. Let's compare before and after. Sometimes it can happen that the iris is not perfectly in focus, or maybe only one of the two eyes is. In this case, you can use the blur corrector action. With this action, you can increase the sharpness of the iris in order to have a perfect focus on the eye. Let's compare the before and after pictures. Now we continue the makeup with the action which defines the eyebrows. The brush, as you will notice, has been programmed to have the right size. Let's use the mascara action. In this case, the brush will be even smaller. If we compare the before and after pictures of all the work we have done, the result is amazing. With this new photo, we are going to use other actions of this panel. As I said earlier, the panel consists of 2 pages. On the second page you will find the artistic retouch. These are presets in the form of actions. On this picture, in which there is a forest in the background, I wanted a more autumnal color. I used the country matte action for this purpose. As you can see, the general coloring has the tones of autumn. I use a mask to recover the girl's body. Using the reverse black brush on the white mask, it is possible to recover the color of the original picture. This action has a whole series of combinations within. If you want to remove the tone matte, for example, just turn it off. And so on. We have a whole host of changes available by simply turning a layer on or off. Let's compare the 2 pictures before and after the effect. You will notice that the effect is very interesting. Now let's enlarge the picture so that we can work on the face, especially on the eyes. The iris is not in perfect focus, even if we are at 200%, but we can remedy by using blur corrector on the first page. This action is used to focus the iris when it is out of focus. Remember to use the white color in the foreground so that you can see the effect. Now the eye is in perfect focus. You can add the magic skin action to improve a little the skin tone. Let's slightly reduce the brush and pass it on this girl's face. On the second page we have other interesting actions such as enhancer texture. It will be sufficient to pass the brush over the dress to highlight the texture. At this point you can add brightness to the hair with soft light in the hair section. Let's take a slightly larger brush and let's brush this girl's hair. As you can see, the red hair is emphasized by this action and stands out a lot. It took us only a few minutes to make all these changes to this picture. You may have noticed that we have never used Photoshop. Can you see the difference between the 2 pictures? Perfect Portraits is a very powerful and intuitive panel. Each procedure, which was once long and complicated, has now become simple, fast, and intuitive. Once you've used Perfect Portraits, you won't be willing to do without it.